Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to apply cross out or strike through on text in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and click on this edit option. Now select this edit text and click on this down arrow and here you will find this text. Now click on this text box and drag your mouse cursor, select your text or character or word, and this right sidebar here you will find this properties option. Click on this properties option and here you will find this strike through option. Click here this strike through and see this cross out text now showing here. Also I'll cross out this text, see this, and this text also I'll apply strike through and see this. In this way you can cross out a specific text, character or word and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.